Beloved, autumn is almost here, and when the air gets cooler and lots of different creatures start singing, making noise, that's a sign that winter is not too far away. Now here I wanted to recognize, if somebody can help me to recognize. I know this one, this crick, 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 this is cricket. I showed in my past video. I record very closely one, but certain one I cannot recognize. Okay, if you can recognize, let me know. Okay. The continuous one. Cricket, the pauses every few seconds, but this one continuous. This one also pauses, but then goes a shrill, long rrr. And another one is continuous. It don't stop, it just goes. If somebody can tell me, can recognize the sounds, I'll appreciate it. What is it? I heard this sound in my childhood in Bangladesh also, this one. A long, shrill sound. That one. Right by my window. What is this bug? Well, anyway, I'm going to do some breathing exercise right here, so it's serenading me. I love these sounds. Oh, lights went off, but it's better. Here by the window, and the serenading all the creature. I'm doing my meditation and my breathing exercise. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. That bark sound in my neighbor's tree is called katydid. And this is a funny name that settlers gave, the European settlers when they settled here. They said that Katy did, Katy didn't. Katy did, Katy didn't. Listen.